拍的高一点，你走近。
Okay. Okay. So, hello everyone. Welcome to our live room. My name is Kevin. I will help you discover great Chinese machinery manufacturer from the perspective of customers with different needs. Today we have something change now. Okay, change now. And I'm play a role of seller of oral dissolving films. So where are our customers? Okay. Da 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 da. Allow me to introduce our photographer, Martin. Okay, Martin, show yourself.
Hi.
Okay. So do you mind showing your face?
No.
Oh, okay. Maybe next time. Okay. Nowadays we are with this company and be a seller to introduce our ODF. Okay, through the several live broadcasts, we found that many people have great interest about and adopt our ODF product. So today I will show you answer your question about ODF and show you why you choose us, our company. Okay, so let's go. You go first. You go first. You go first.
Okay.
So this is aligned, which is the best one-stop solution of oral dissolving films in China. Okay, so here we are. We go there, and I will introduce the ODF products for you. Okay. So, okay. This is ODF product. We packaging it. It is okay. ODF product, just like this. It is a thin film type emulsion in target on your tongue without water for convenient intake, and the active ingredients are absorbed through your oral mucosa immediately. So it shows many advantages. So you can just and I will show you the ODF, and I will show you the history of ODF. Okay, and I will also show the film for you. Okay. Okay, just like this. I'm so sorry I'm not wear the gloves, but I just use my hand to show you. Okay, and I will also show the history of ODF. Okay, that's okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I put in there, and I will show you some paper about the history of ODF. Okay, you can see. So in 1964, the first appearance of ODF concept, and until to the 2001, the listing vehicles FDA. Okay, you can clearly see that. Okay, the FDA appeared just like this kind of picture. So where am I? Okay. Yes. Okay. Now in 2006, the Vaginal oral first dissolving films (PNDA) appeared. It's the first quickly released films in the world. The first appeared, and now the science development in 2010. The downstream ODF and the FDA and EMA are appeared. So we can find our packaging allows this styles, and in 2020, it's nearby our 2026. The allowing ODF and APA are appeared, so we can see this is in Chinese. Now we are use, and I will also show the compare with the traditional. You see our oral films are compared with oral tablet. So you can see the the different production process, the different products. You can see, if we use the oral table, we should, the first stage is mixing and graduating and drying, table pressing, table coating, and finally packing coating. But the oral film, we just combine this stage with just the film making, just drying, heating, and we all combine to this film making. So we just need the mixing, film making, and the packing, cutting. Just simpler stage, so we can get efficiency production. Fashion. Okay. Functions, indulgence.
Okay, then why this ODF can develop so fast? What are these advantages?
So I think you mentioned this advantage. I will show you another papers. Look, this is advantage points. You can see with a traditional oral table, it just the efficiency is just 10%, and next is capsules is just 20%. Now we are around the oral mucosal obstruction is about 19.8%, and we can see the list. The most dissolved films absorption rate is as high as 96.8%. So it offers many advantages such like this. And we compare to the common drug from it's just like this. Can you clearly see that? Okay, yes. It's a small module nutrition and oral absorbed directly into the system correctly, because the oral dissolving films is absorbed through your oral mucosa. It didn't pass through your stomach and didn't through your mouth, and the oral dissolving film is just through your blood immediately. So the active ingredients have quickly efficiency released. So compared to the common drug form, it is just faster to target on your tongue. Okay, so. And we also show the package styles for you. Okay. Package. Okay. So you can see there are many medicines API can make into the ODF. So first we can see the vitamins, the healthcare food, just like vitamin B or B12 or D3. The vitamin we can test the formulation into the oral dissolving films, and also the iron, the spicy mix, CBD also can made into the oral dissolving films, and there are a lot of things okay. And the empty lines, if you are interested, we can test the formulation for you. And the medicine need personal patient need a special request for the user. So we can also does this make into the oral dissolving films, such as the tadalafil, we are as well known as India, and the sildenafil, and many medicines we can use too, and the nutri cosmetics we can also made into. You can see the shampoo pictures for it, CBD, sildenafil, and dental use there. Okay, we can all use make into the oral dissolving films.
Okay, I see. That sounds good. So can this packing other products, and can I make other style of packing?
Packing, I think I will show you another picture for you. Packing, but I will show you some packing, just like this. We can easily to open it, just like this, and we use the heat sealing ways to introduce this. Look, we can quickly take it, and the process using it can offer this advantage.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. So like this. And what next? Do you have any questions about it?
How about tell me some about the lines history or something?
Aligned. Okay. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I will give you some pictures. So why you choose us? So first, I will introduce who we are. Our company is named Align Technology. So we first funded is in the year of 2004 in Shanghai City, and specialized in pharmaceutical equipment and one-stop solution. So at first, I arrived this place as I said, the Align is the best one-stop solution provider for oral dissolving films. And we use the 90 years of overseas export experiences. So we are so professional about this, and 40 patents and 150 more than 115 explored countries, 500 end user, and we also provide ISO CEUL certificate. And the next we will show the history of our company development. So first, we are founded in 2004. And we aim at the pharmaceutical machinery. And 2030, we moved on Ruan, and the Ruan technology was founded and start to do contracting project. And in 2016, research development ODF, we are started to ODF production to as our major product. And the technology team around 20%. We have a large scientist person for study the oral dissolving films. So we quickly development, and in 2019, the ODF production line sold to several countries. We've started to sell out our. So we started to contract 2 projects in Tanzania, and in Tanzania, yeah, okay. In 2020, I completing the ODF 10-meter production line for China's top pharmaceutical companies. Our top pharmaceutical companies fund us and try to fund us and wanted to do this oral dissolving films, and our is the first choice about it, and becomes only benchmark a company in China. So if you are interested in oral dissolving films, come to China, and we are the first choice in these industries. And in 2021, the more business philosophy instilled and debug in Tanzania. Okay, is it clear? Is that okay? Where we should 2021. As I said, it's installed and debug in Tanzania, and nowadays in 2022, the process here is the formulation of industrial standard for oral thin film production line, and apply for high teach and enterprise. Okay, so I change the next page.
Wow, this is a long history. So, why Alliance can reach the top of China
Okay.
on ODF?
Okay, so now I will introduce our alliance culture. Okay, so alliance culture. Why we call it align? Align is ALIGNED. The A is means ability, and the L is loyalty, and the I is innovation, and the G is glow, and the N means nature. Okay, can you see that?
Yes, I can
Okay,
see.
and the E it means efficiency, and the D is education. So I will tell you the vision of our company. Our company is aimed to become a premier supplier for Chinese high quality equipment to serve the global pharmaceutical industry, to become a recognized leader in the industry. That makes employees happy, and makes the customers' mood and the society respected. Okay, and our mission is to do the right things. So first, to help customers optimize, optimize the production standard with one-stop solution. The second, to help person realize both happiness of substance and spirit. And the third, to help China's science and technology go towards the world and contribute to human health and substance development. And we mentioned the mission, and next we will see our values. Our values is do the right things. We press in initiative, progress, progress, and team collaboration and responsibility. Practice doing good deeds and challenge overall interests. That's our culture. That's why we do the better in the oral decision films industry.
Okay, I know. If just test, Align cannot reach the best one-top solution provider for oral dissolving films in China. So there
Yeah.
must have some reasons support your company to be best, right?
Yes, and we also if yes, we mentioned this, if you are interested in our oral decision films, but your receipt, but you are adopt your receipt, so we can test your formulation for ourselves. And I also will introduce our company's ways of test the information. Okay, we can see the numbers. We test the formula over 495, and it's the date is passed. And and right now we are already more than 60,000 times for the formulation test. So we are professional of the test formulation, and we in order to test your formulation to make into the oral dissolving films, so we try to, and we want to do. And the equipment test, we all know that the equipment is very important. Uh, Equipment is very important, so we need to test the equipment many times for ensure your product quality and stability. So we also test many times that like six numbers. As mercy. I think it's in 2019 days, and right now we are more of this. Okay, so I can show you the sample like you. It's in the China. We have a Guangzhou case. It's in the 2018, and the picture look like this. Picture look like this. Before the test, we want to make oral swing films, but it's filled. See these bad oral dissolving films, and for our hard work, after test, we do this bad ODF and finally packaging it just like this. we cut it off and like this solution.
Yeah, I see. It's a big improvement.
Yeah, and we test the look like this. For this sample, we test this many times. It's about 720 26,000 minutes, and the equipment sample test is over than 232 times. You see, right?
Yeah,
It's a
I see.
large number.
Yes.
Okay, so have any question about that?
Yeah, I got it. No wonder the line can reach the top of China.
Okay.
So, can I see the workshop?
Workshop. Okay,
Do you
I
have-
will lead it to you, and I will take you to around. Okay, so you go first. Okay, now. Okay, the workshop is on your left. This is the arrow wall. It's what's our equipment arrow is was there, and we can see there's something wrong with it. So something wrong devices is over there, and we try to learn something from these skills, and so our boss are placed into there and teach me how to learn from the mistake and help us companies do better. Okay, you can see that.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
doing great.
Okay. So the equipment something is not smoothly, and something is burned or like this.
Okay, this equipment is very good. So, do you have any certification? Can I see?
Right.
证书。
啊，
证书。
certified station. So if you want to show that, okay, let we turn back our. Oh, and I will also show you the pictures. Yes, we have the FAT protocols and SAT report, operation manual, and IQ, DQ, PQ, OQ field. That we use our professional about this. You see, our full set of education document to be provided for facility certification, right?
Okay, I know. So this document can guarantee the product to be great, to be
Yes.
qualified, right?
Yes.
Oh, and any certification I can see?
Certification.
About products.
Okay, I will lead you. If you want to see more about the
我
certification,
们 PPT 上有呀。就是
okay, we can finally see it's on about your. Yes, we can see the whole world of like that. Yeah, you can see. You see that?
Yeah, I see.
Many, but so if you want to see more, I think the machine is the most important you want to see. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to see more, you can walk around and show something.
Okay, I see. There's many certification. I can got it,
Yeah.
and it can guarantee the machine.
And that's why you choose our. That's why you need to choose our company.
Okay.
Okay. So I said the machine is very important. Machine is very important. So I think you are very interested in oral dissolving film, right? Making machine like this.
Yes.
Okay. So I will take you to have a look. Okay. So when we get to the filmmaking machine, and I will show you some pictures like this. The oral dissolving film production line, right?
Yeah.
And so first we just see the mixing, right? Mixing, we also have the device of the mixing, and the foam remove, fill, make. And today I will importance of see this film make. And the slate and print is the final process. Okay, so
Okay, let's go see the film making machine.
okay,
Okay.
I will take you have a look, and you can show around this factory and see our product line and some production.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see. And you can see the wood, the traction box made in wood. That's what we are finished their equipment. Okay, okay, be careful. Okay. Now we finally arrived their filmmaking machine. Our filmmaking machine is working now, right?
Working?
It's working, right? Yes.
不是，我先拍嘛。
Yeah, our filmmaking machine is working now, and I will show you. So, do you know why we call this filmmaking machine is OCM 340 and 4M?
I don't know. What's this meaning?
Okay, I will show you the numbers meaning. So 340, that means the film width is the max width is 340 millimeters. And so 4M, you can easily see. Okay, turn back and we can see the whole machine. You can see that we have a 2 oven, right?
Yeah.
And each oven have 2 meters long. So totally the oven totally long is 4 meters. So that's why we call it the 4M.
Oh.
That means 4 meters long.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. 4 meters long. So we can see it's in front of. Okay. And I will wear the gloves for you to avoid the pollution for material. Sorry, it's hard to wear. Okay, could you help me? Okay. Okay. Yeah. I think it's hard to wear, but I think it says it's. Okay. So if you are working in the medical, I think it says it's hard for you, right? So first time to wear.
It's okay. Keep clean and quiet and safety.
Yes. If you want to avoid the precision, you need to wear the gloves to avoid avoid. Okay. 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 For the time, I just wear one glove, so I just use this. Okay. Now. Okay. Now, if I said avoid the pollution, so I will say that the. Okay, we are called this station is the common roller scraper, and this is made by the non-toxic 316 non-toxic stainless steel, so it can avoid the chemical restriction from with the material, and our material is just put there in manual, and if you and we also have the optional just like the plastic pump and we also have the 4 material pipe, so that you can put the material over the material pipes under control the PLC control panel. Okay, we will see. There is heat and the machine run speed. And I will also show you the machine run speed. We can adjust it from the PLC control panel, and you just kick it and we can adjust. You see, the 1.5 adjust to 1.4. That means our machine running speed is means 1.4 meters per minute, and you can use it to control your production. And we can see the mean data about the heating and the air pressure. We can all show on the PLC control panel.
Yeah, it is easy to use.
Yes, and so how we control the thickness of about the films. You can see have two thinner. We can use this, and we use the cylinder L. We use our L cylinder to control the PLC control panel's thickness. It will put high or down to control the thickness of about the film. Okay. And now we can also see. Now we can also see the film is passed through the traction roller and over there, and it goes through there and into the oven, right?
Yeah.
You can easily find, and you can see this pressure. You can replace it in several, but the cylinder is also economic section. Okay, that depends on your special requests. Okay, so for the part we can also choose the next step. Okay, this is the unwinding parts. Your bottom film is placed in there and goes through there, and this is photoelectric to detection your film has a lack of film, and the data will also improve with the PLC control panel.
想用激光笔可以用，我池里面的话可以。
Okay. Okay, we can. Okay, I will use this laser, and okay. Now we are at the heat part. The heat and driving are all done in this oven. Okay, we can see we have two fan box, right?
Yeah, I
You
see.
can easily find. Okay, fan box. Just about there. Okay, can you see that?
Yeah, I see that. What is function?
The fan box, the first fan box we call prepare heat. So if you use your ruler to compare it, you can see that the first fan box is lower than second fan box.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, but you can see directly is not so obviously, but you can find that this is lower than.
Yeah.
That's why we this first fan costs are lower, because we need because the material film are under the oven. We need to have the hot air need to reject the material film, right?
Yes.
So we need to quickly dry and heat. Quickly heat and dry. So we need to lower down the temperature to shorten their distance in order to quickly heat and dry.
Okay, like the air circulation, right?
Yeah, and the second fan box just need to higher than the air pressure to quickly the material film drying. Okay, so enter the second oven. In fact, the second oven is the same fraction of the first oven, but there have some difference about the fourth oven, because the fourth oven will finally will send out, right?
Yes.
So this oven need to need to low down their temperature and low down and use and higher their air pressure to in order the material film cool down so that it can will not the temperature will not so high to come out. And
Okay, I see there also have some the machine no dead corner. Why?
and our corner. Okay, that's the importance of our filmmaking machine. Yeah, you can see we have without no dead corners. Without the outside, inside look you can see there. Can you easily find that?
Yeah.
We also have no dead corners. So because our machine is made by full weighted. So we are without no dead corners and easy to clean and no material. If the material film is down or filled anywhere, you can easily clear that and just. Oh, one more thing is if the machine is not working or you want to clean that, you can just punch this button and the door will open.
Okay. So is this your advantage?
Yeah, and also it's our advantage.
Okay.
And finally, we can see there. Okay, this is the material film. So come out. So this is the tension controller, tension machine. It controls keeps the films tight, so that the material on the films will not remove anywhere and keeps it tight so that the material film will not put down or broken. And we can do you know this situation? You guess? Guess
I
what?
guess I don't know.
Yeah.
Web direction.
Yes, web direction.
What is this meaning?
Yes. So this situation is prevents the film shift left or right, just not to remove it anywhere. So you can. That depends on the first part, the waiting mode. So if you and also if you have the requirement of the slitting, just to cut the film into 4 pieces.
Yes.
So you need to use the web direction to avoid the making to keep the film go straight and cut the equal distance.
Okay.
If you without it, the film shift right or left, you can easily thinking that the film will be bigger or smaller. You think?
Okay, I got it. So it can also improve the using efficiency, right?
Yeah, and also can prove you are right.
Yeah.
Yes, clearly. And you can see there we have the waiting part. So we have waiting loader, and if you use the requirement of the slitting cart, this part needs to be used. This is the west injector. Okay, this is west injector. Okay, can you see my right laser?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, this is the west rejector, so you can reject your west film onto there, and so finished film. Oh, okay, right there will be waiting on there, and if you we also have the photoelectric tension. Okay, right there. Can you see that?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, there. Also will have the photoelectric.
So this function is the same as the front one, right?
Not, but there are difference because the film is we need two packages. If the diameters are larger than right,
Yeah.
so we need to send the date or onto the PLC control panel to not you need to replace the the finished film.
Okay.
Because it's enough bigger enough.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any question about that?
I guess mainly I know the machine simply, but maybe I need to know it more.
So need I go again? Go again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So go again. Okay. I will show you the filmmaking machine again, and the first part is the PLC control panel. You see that this part is the PLC control panel, and of course our warning station and warning information will all show in the control panel.
Oh, I think you just talk about the command roller. How about this? I think this I have more questions.
Yeah, and I see. If yes, I wear this glove to avoid the pollution, right?
Yes.
And this part, the material is also avoid the pollution. It's made made in 316 stainless steel and without no toxic material, so it can avoid the chemical rejection with the material, right? If your material will be and you can see our house has two sensor, right? This sensor is to detection about the distance of this part, and the date will be sent to the PLC control panel, and PLC control panel and not use the high of the common roller scraper. And the common roller scraper, I think is the power is supplied for the cylinder. So you can use your PLC control panel to control the thickness of the film making. Okay, so did you know that?
Okay, now I know. So what is this to meaning?
The two meaning.
Yes.
Yes. The block, the two block, right?
Yes.
Okay. The two block you can find that we have the date, right? We have some number on there.
Yeah, I see it.
That we can use the block to control the film width, right?
Yeah.
We also see we are the max width is 340, right? But
Yes.
it can control the over about the 300. You can see we can have this ruler to have control.
So do this have any minimum?
Minimum.
It have this max. So max is
340, right?
So the minimum was this.
Minimum, you can adjust yourself.
Okay.
Okay, but if too small, I think is not efficiency, right?
Yes. Okay. So I can adjust this, including.
Yeah.
So this what product? Can I see the material?
Material, okay, you can see. The material is what? Huh?
不展示，就问你是造什么产品？
Okay. Okay, now our engineer will put their material onto this.
Yes.
Yes. Now we are put it into the material by manual, but we can use it automatic. Use our operational machines such as the prismatic pump and the material pipe to use their vehicle to send their material onto the storage. Okay.
And it smells very good.
Yeah. And you can control the material. So if the leak, and also you can use the material detection, leak of material detection. So if the material is leak, and they will warn you on the PLC control panel and not you to add more material. Yeah.
Only by hand.
not only by hands. You can use your automatic machine to eat some material, to use your PLC control panel or computer, you everything.
Okay. So now I can see the material has gone
Yeah, you can see
through
that.
the check suit.
Yeah, you can see. Now it's onto the oven.
See.
And now we are set of the machine running speed is 0.5. So maybe it's very slow, but if you are use 340, I think the production is bigger enough for your factory production.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see that it's under 230.
Yeah, that speed is very slow.
Yeah, it's very slow, but I think it's 3.5 also is quickly then. But
So-
but our filmmaking machine is 4 meters long, so it needs quite of time.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to see the oven, you can see. Now our material film is right there. Okay, can you see that?
Yeah, I see.
Finally right there. And our heat platform also is operational. Yeah, also is professional. If you use the heat platform, you can avoid we can heat there underground, right?
Yes.
Heat there underground, and heat by the two sides and heat and dry quickly. So the product we can provide such as what I see. Yes, just like this. Oh, it's done. Oh, sorry. Looks like it's done. Yes, just like small pieces and the pieces process juicing. We can also offer as advantage, easy to take, easy intake, and process juicing, just like this small piece. But we are test many corrosion tests and many equipment tests. So finally we made this product and send to you.
Yeah, it's very small, and it's easy to carry, right?
Yeah.
And it's easy to carry.
Yeah, easy to carry. Just you just need to use the package and throw it in your pocket, right?
Yeah. And what about the thickness you can do?
Thickness.
Yeah.
I think is about our maximum thickness. I think is 0.2 millimeters.
3.2.
Yes, 0.2 millimeters. Yeah.
And how long will this material through the oven? It must be slowly. Can it be quickly?
If you want to quickly, it depends on your material. It depends on your API of the material. If your material is heat and dry enough, you can use the 1.5 meters per minute through this whole production line.
Okay.
But if your material the floor is too bad for heat and drying, so maybe you need to use 3.1 machine running speed to ensure your production quality. Okay.
That's great. So this is the material, right?
Yeah, you can
Product.
see that. You can see that.
I
Right.
see.
Now we also have different colors such as white, blue, and also have greens. That depends on your material. And of course, We all know that some medicines are too offer to eat, but we can add some flavor such as strawberry, orange flavor, or something else can contain to ensure you can to eat comfortable. Okay.
Okay, I see. I see the film, but why there are no slater can cut this film? Just
Okay.
collect the film in the wedding.
Because our film whiteness is enough. If you are special request for cutting down for the if you say we are now the film maybe it's 200 millimeters. If you want to cut into the 40 millimeters, so you can adjust the slitting cut to it and cut the film.
Okay,
It all depends on your special requirements.
okay, I got it.
Okay, you can easily find C. Okay, I think it's backside is clear to see.
So the product will collect here, right? The
Yeah,
film.
yeah, and
No, I see. I see they are slowly into there.
yeah, you can see some product over there, and our traction roller will through the production out to there.
Yeah, I see. Okay, now I mainly about know this machine.
Okay, so do you have any question about it?
2次啦。
刚才有一位进来，他这边看不到有人进来。
Okay, I will also show you some, but now it's not installed. We also have a barometers. I mean the air detection, air pressure detection into there because our heat systems depends on the filter. Okay. Okay. Hello, friends. Now I'm introduce also our company's filmmaking machine. Filmmaking machine, and now I will answer your questions. And if you get interested in the filmmaking machine, please feel free and ask any questions. I will answer you soon now. Okay, right? Okay, now I will continue my speaking. We also have a device station on there that air pressure detection, and also I can see the barometer, but now it's not installed. But we will send you the final equipment will install this, because our heat system is depend on the air inlet and air outlet, right?
Right.
We use hot air to heat the film and the drying machine. Okay, so that's why we ensure the avoid the pollution. We need the filter, right?
Yes.
Filter to avoid the dust, such as the air into the dust or something else, right? So we need the filter. But when we filter blocks, so the air inlet efficiency will be slow, right?
Right. Yes.
So the air pressures outside and inside will be different. But when the difference become huge, and the barometers will note us and send the data to the PLC control panel. PLC control panel and note us to replace the filter. Okay, and we also see if you I mentioned the filter, right? Our filtering efficiency it can reach 99.98%. That's very high efficiency filtration.
Yes, it's very high.
Yeah. So do you have any questions about that?
Hey guys, any questions you can ask, and
Okay.
write in our living room.
Okay. 术语怎么说？我这没有。Okay. Now we can see the whole machine is working. Okay.
Is there any smaller machine?
Smaller machine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only 4 meter?
Only 4 meters.
Any smaller?
Okay. We have another. Okay. We also have. We also have another machines like for the library or the not for library, the laboratory, and also something. But we will show you the next time living. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next time living. Okay. Now. Okay. Today we know about oral dissolving filmmaking and filmmaking machine. So if you are even more interested in this machine, contact us and please feel free to continue to ask questions. And now the time I think is for now. So thank you for watching and we will see you next time. Okay, see you next time, Lee, and I will show you more about the filmmaking machine. Okay, see you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Martin, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.
有的人挂对，直接扔个码头。开关的，你去大家这个机器展示这样子过去，太过分了。关我知道。开过去，两边都要。
Smaller.
之后啊，
关掉了。
关了就。